French National Library, a treasure trove of knowledge. The Bibliothèque nationale de France, BNF, or the French National Library, is one of the most significant cultural institutions in France and one of the largest libraries in the world, located in Paris. The BNF holds a vast collection of books, manuscripts, maps, and other historical documents, making it a treasure trove of knowledge and history. Architectural marvel. The French National Library is renowned for its impressive architecture, especially the Franois Mitterrand site, which features 4 modern, L-shaped towers that symbolize open books. Designed by architect Dominique Perrault, this site is a blend of contemporary design and functionality, providing an inspiring space for research and reading. Extensive collections. The library's collection is vast and diverse, including millions of books, periodicals, manuscripts, maps, prints, and photographs. Notably, it houses some of the most important historical documents in France, such as illuminated manuscripts, medieval texts, and early printed books. Digital resources. BNF is at the forefront of digital innovation. Its digital library, Gallica, offers access to millions of digitized documents, making it an invaluable resource for researchers worldwide. This commitment to digitalization ensures that historical documents are preserved and accessible to future generations. Cultural and educational programs. The BNF regularly hosts exhibitions, lectures, and workshops, contributing to the cultural and intellectual life of Paris. These programs aim to educate the public and promote the importance of preserving cultural heritage by showcasing its architectural brilliance. Extensive collections, digital innovation, and cultural programs, the French National Library stands as a beacon of knowledge and culture, drawing scholars and visitors from around the globe.